today's video, I'm going to teach you how to factory reset your HY300 projector. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I'm going to be teaching you how to perform a factory reset if you are able to get into the settings menu, and then I'm going to talk about what to do if you aren't able to power it on and you must use something else like the remote control. So the main method of doing this and the most convenient one is by heading over into the settings. So if you are able to go into the settings, power on your projector and head over here. Alternatively, skip ahead in the video and inside of the settings, go into Other Setting. Under Other Settings, you should be able to find Factory Reset Settings. If you don't see it here, check under About Device. By choosing Factory Reset Settings, it will be performed automatically for you, so all that you have to do is wait. This will completely wipe all of these settings currently attributed to your HY300, so it will give you a factory fresh experience, which can help clear up any sort of temporary issues that you might be having. Now, if this method does not work or you cannot get into the settings, you will have to use the remote control. So press the power button on the remote or on the HY300 itself and press and hold it. You should see the option to reboot or restart, and once this is done, repeatedly press the home button on the remote. This will then allow you to go into a debug screen, and in there, one of the options should be factory reset. Alternatively, check for a physical reset button on the back of your HY300. This is going to depend on the model that you have, but like I said before, the main way is going to be by going over into the settings. So try out the settings panel first, then try pressing and holding the power button either on the remote or the HY300 itself, and while it reboots or it powers on, try pressing the home button. If all of these fail, you could have a hardware issue. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality solutions to your problems. So I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.